Hey guys, my name is Dean Ginto from DeanOnlinePitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called KingPin. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review of how the KingPin works now. As a reminder, this new product launch will go live on November 7 at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I can show you what the sales page of the KingPin is all about. So as you can see here, once you get to this point of the sales page, you'll be able to get a discount from me when you click the link down below in this video. So you can go ahead and check this out. And now I'm going to be showing you my bonuses here really quick. So I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now, if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up KingPin, this is going to go live on November 7th. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these yellow buttons here. That's going to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. So don't forget to pick up this discount here. Enter the code, and then once you've done that, then over here is this is where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now you'll need to pick up before the countdown timer runs out onto my bonus page here, because when my countdown timer runs out and all of my bonuses will disappear, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now to claim these bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly will deliver to you. And all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in this video, so you can go ahead and scroll down here. So here are all the bonuses that I'm offering to you for the KingPin. And so you're gonna see this available for you to check down below in the description of my video. You can go ahead and scroll down, and then you can go ahead and check out all the description of the bonuses that I'm offering to you. And then now for the sales page of KingPin. So fortunately, I'm having technical difficulties of the product, but I can definitely show you a quick demo from Max, who's one of the partners of this program. So as you can see here, this is what it's gonna look like. So basically, KingPin is will teach you how to beat the Pinterest algorithm and tap into the massive traffic source of 454 million monthly users. Now you'll be able to take advantage of how you can generate traffic using Pinterest and start sending your offers using this method, so you can turn your leads into sales. And this also comes with a page builder, so customers can start earning straight away with this program and not being able to pay expensive monthly fees. So this is just a one-time fee, and then you can pretty much use it for lifetime. And so the benefits of KingPin is that you can use any affiliate links for this product. You can do a sales page. You can even do a landing page, lead magnet, or your website, or any other type of link that you can use so that you can get more leads with these methods. And during this launch period of KingPin, you can pretty much only pay one-time fee of $17 for the lifetime access to this program. Now, KingPin is a simple to use newbie friendly piece of software that anyone can use this program, so they can start earning money using the secret algorithm that they are about to share, so you can start sending your offers and get commissions fast. So now I'm going to show you a quick demo from Max, just a disclaimer, because I couldn't get access to the KingPin product, but here it is. I'm going to show you a demo from him. So this is just a disclaimer. He's going to be doing the review of this product, actually a demo. So enjoy.
And without further to say, let me actually show you our members area. So as you can see, this is me here with a little welcome video. Then we've got a mindset section. So it's really important that if you want to make money online, you need to have the right mindset, because I see so many people who just think that making money online does just mean that you have to push a button. But if you really think about it, there would be no poverty in the world if you just had to push a button and then you would be rich. So mindset is a really, really important part of your online business. So watch that video first before you get started. Then here we have our KingPin Premium Page Builder software. So again, on Fiverr, you would have to pay anywhere from $30 to $200 to have a freelancer create these landing pages or bridge pages for you, but we will give you a page builder software included with your purchase. And in this video, I show you how to set up how to register your account, how to activate your software. I teach you what a landing page and a bridge page is, how you can create these pages, where you can store your visitors' emails, what an autoresponder is, how you can connect autoresponders with our software. This is all the stuff that you learn about our first software, which is our KingPin Premium Page Builder. Then here is our second software, our KingPin Premium Traffic software. So the software that you will use to send laser targeted traffic to all your links, to all your offers. In the first video, I show you how you can install your premium traffic software, and in the second video, I'll show you how to use it. So super straightforward, easy to do. Anyone can do this. Then my launch partner Bill has put together a deep dive into Facebook traffic. So there is an overview of advanced Facebook traffic strategy, how to create an effective Facebook group, the reverse psychology for traffic, how to set up your Facebook group, and how you can maximize your profits. Then my launch partner Jake teaches you the simplest paid traffic method that can generate sales right away, which is called solo ads. So this is a really cool section, as well as you will learn a lot about how you can start sending paid traffic to all your offers as well. And here in this section, the power of bonuses, Jake explains to you why it is so important to have good bonuses to incentivize your visitors to purchase from you. So bonuses are super important when it comes to making affiliate commissions online. Then we've got our upgrade section here, and our OTO2 is actually a bonus giveaway bundle. So if you want to be serious with affiliate marketing, Jake teaches you why you should use bonuses. And our OTO2 is actually a bonus giveaway bundle of super professional bonuses that you can use to build your list and to make affiliate commissions, to incentivize your visitors to buy from you and not from others. Then here we've got the upgrades that you can pick up at any given time in the future. And we've also got some unannounced bonuses that you will get for free if you pick up a copy of KingPin.
So don't forget to check out my bonuses here when you click the link down below, along with this product. Once you decide to purchase a KingPin, these bonuses that I'm offering to you, they are actually free of charge, even if you just pick up the front end of this product for $17. And also you can upgrade your front end purchase for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs, so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. Now please consider checking out the upgrades if you want to increase your chances of earning more money. You're going to see all the available upgrades for you to check out right down below in this link of the video. Go ahead and check out all these amazing, powerful upgrades. I would definitely recommend checking out the upgrades. So that's going to benefit you. If you learn the whole process of how the KingPin works, then the better. So you'll be able to carry on this knowledge for your next journey of the online business. And so the more you learn, the more you earn. So this is just what the KingPin is all about. It's going to give you all these powerful software training modules, and on top of that, once you decide to upgrade, you can get the advanced training of this product, which is the pro version, and the upgrade number 2, which is the bonus giveaway bundle. It's going to maximize your sales and commissions. And onto the upgrade of KingPin number 3, which is a complete done for you setup. Then the upgrade number 4 will be you're gonna get an advantage of getting all this traffic for your offer. Number 5, which is upsell number 5, will be the reseller bundle. You're gonna get reseller rights for this product, so you can start earning more commissions with it. And the final one, which is upsell number 6, launch a product. You can pretty much launch your own product for $1,000 every day with the team. And so this is the training is basically for this, and they're pretty much gonna show you a training of how exactly that you have to do this whole training. And so this is what the upgrade is all about. So as you can see, it's gonna help you learn how to grow with the online business aspect, and it's gonna give you a full advantage of how you can leverage your online business into getting all this knowledge from the upgrades of KingPin. Now so that brings me to the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching my KingPin review. Now I hope you enjoy my review video, and make sure to click the link below to purchase KingPin at a discounted price. And also don't forget to pick up my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. Now I'll see you guys on to my next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Now make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on to my next one.